Hello, did you order a Lyft?
Hi, yes.
Hi, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good, come on in. How's your day going?
Doing well. I'm just, I'm running a little late because, it took you so long to get here.
Oh, I mean, well, you kind of...
Can you turn the heat on? It's really cold in here.
Actually, my heater's out right now. I'm trying to get it fixed at the mechanic, but it's... I can't afford it. I'm trying to drive Uber to pay for it, but probably like you caught me a week too early. In a week, I'd probably have heating.
Where's, do you have mints or any, like, candies or anything?
What? I mean,
Yeah.
this is not like a candy shop. I don't have mints. What are you talking about?
Well, like, some Uber drivers have, like, mints and water and things, like, to...
Look, I barely make like $9 an hour. Like, I'm not giving out free mints.
Okay, well, like, what's your real
And you're
job?
probably not even gonna leave me a tip. So, like, I can tell by your attitude, you're probably a non-tipper.
You do not know that, but now that you said that, I absolutely will not be leaving you a tip. Thank you.
Can you please leave me a tip? Like, I'm depending.
Well,
this is my...
earn your tip then. You have no mints, no waters, nothing. And I'm supposed to tip you, and you're late picking me up. I am late to go to lunch with my friends.
You ordered the ride late. I literally got here in 4 minutes. Like, I don't know what you want me to do. Like, I can't teleport. What are you doing?
I'm just taking a photo. Mind your business.
Why are you taking a photo?
Because.
You have some
lighting's
respect.
nice.
Have some respect.
Everyone takes a photo when they get in a Lyft or an Uber. Everyone knows that.
What, you probably use, like, you're probably on TikTok.
Yeah.
I hate that app. It's so, like, it's just whatever. Everybody who's TikTok's dumb. Like, people just scroll and it's making
Can you put some music on, please?
I'm talking to you.
That's fine.
You don't want to talk to me?
No.
What? Why not?
Am I obligated to talk to you?
You're not, but you're a human and I'm a human and we're having a conversation. Why do you want to listen to music? Like, music isn't even, like, real. Like, we should just talk. Haven't you ever tried to, like, get off your phone and talk? Like, you're literally just looking at your phone this whole time.
Hello?
Are you serious?
Yeah, sorry. I'm just running late. I'm not far away. My Lyft driver just took forever, so I should be there soon. I know. Just, like, order appetizers without me. It's fine. If you could order me a mimosa, too, that would be great.
Jeez, you're so you even treat your friends poorly, too.
Okay, love you. Thank you. Bye.
You make your friends order food for you because you're late? What?
Just a drink.
You just call her the B word after?
Yeah.
You're so two-faced.
You don't know me, sir.
I know you enough, I'll put it that way.
No, you don't. But, if we could just get there, that'd be really great, okay?
Yeah, I'm trying. I'm driving the speed limit. I'm in a residential neighborhood.
Okay. Well, my friends are waiting, and it's her birthday, and, like, I look like the shitty friend because I'm showing up late.
Can you stop cussing? Like, I'm Christian, and it's not good for us to hear that. I mean, it's really, like, just not cool.
Fine.
You want to play the quiet game?
Yes, I would love to play the quiet game.
Okay, sit down and shut up. How about that?
First of all, don't tell me to shut up. You are serving me. You are driving me. Okay? I am paying
No.
for this ride.
I'm an independent contractor. This is my car, my rules.
Okay.
I can kick you out of my car if I want to.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah, I do not have to take you. I'm not obligated to take you by any means. I can choose to accept you, choose to deny you. I can drop you off on the side of the freeway if I want to. Okay, but I'm doing you a favor by driving you to go get your mimosas.
Okay, yeah. No,
So you want to play this the hard way? I'll kick you out and you can order a new ride?
No.
All right.
Okay.
All right, now you're doing your makeup in the car.
I'm not doing
You better
my
not
makeup.
get, if there's 1 ounce smidget of makeup in my car, you are getting hit with a $300 cleaning fee.
I am putting on lip gloss, sir.
It looks like eyeliner.
It's not. It's lip plumper.
Oh my God, you plumper, you get fake lips too?
Who said they were fake? A lip plumper is so you don't have to get fake lips. Also, who cares if I did? My body, my choice.
What are you, a feminist?
Yeah.
Oh my God, you know you're joking, right?
I'm sorry, you're not.
You think I'm a feminist?
You should be.
I think men deserve, I don't know. I think men deserve their own rights and women deserve their own rights.
Sure. Like, men haven't had their rights for years and years and years. We've just been living in this patriarchal society.
I mean, men work harder, so it makes sense.
Wow. Okay.
You see, this is case in point. I'm driving you, I'm working, and you're going to get your mimosas.
You don't know my life, sir.
Do you even have a job right now? I bet you're on unemployment.
none of your business if I was on an unemployment or not. So let's just beat down the woman, yeah?
No, that's not what I said.
Well,
I think women are better at certain other things, like women are better moms.
Sure. You think that's all we're good for, is just moms? Should we just stay in the kitchen then and just like make our meals for our husbands who come home from work?
I mean,
take care of screaming children. You also don't think that's a job? That's a full-time job.
That's great. That's great in your eyes. If you want to believe that to make yourself feel better, then sure.
Wow. Okay. I don't know who raised you, but I feel like your mother deserves a lot more respect.
She does have a lot of respect.
Okay. Well, she clearly didn't do a great job raising you.
Are you serious right now?
Yeah.
Are you serious right now?
You would not have these views.
What? I'm just saying I'm just putting out my opinion.
Right. Well, no one asked for your opinion, so if you could just.
You know what?
Be great.
You know what? I don't want to take you anymore. I'm gonna pull over. There's a gas station up here, and
you're not just gonna pull over. We are like less than a mile away.
You can walk the rest of the way then, and maybe you could use the exercise.
I am not. Wow. Now we're fat shaming. Now
I didn't call you fat.
Shaming.
I just said vitamin D is good for you.
No, thank you. I don't need your vitamin D. I'm doing fine just myself, but I'm not going to walk. It's not safe as a woman, and we are less than a mile.
As a woman. It's literally middle of broad daylight.
So
you'll be fine.
This is a strange neighborhood. I don't know this, and a busy highway.
You can walk. I'm sure you can.
I'm not going to walk.
Converse on.
I'm not going to walk. So if you could just finish this.
Your voice is so annoying.
I don't care.
I don't care.
I don't. So if you could just take me, that'd be great.
The ride's over. I already canceled it, so you can get out.
Okay, well, I didn't cancel it, so I'm not going to pay for the rest of it.
Are you seriously not going to get out of my car right now?
Why would I get out of your car in the middle of this?
Because I have more rides to do. I'm.
You didn't finish this ride.
I only give rides to nice people.
I don't care. I am a nice person. You don't know me, sir.
You literally called your friend the B word after you hung up.
That is a term of endearment between me and my friend. None of your business.
Okay, well, can you just get out of my car?
No.
And then you can, I don't know.
Finish the ride.
Once you get out, I'm gonna call up Uber and rate you 1 star.
I don't care.
I can call up Uber in India. That's how it works.
That's fine.
And they're gonna give you 1 star.
Big deal.
You'll probably get banned from Uber for life.
I'll make a new account.
No.
Yeah.
They know your credit card, so.
No, I have more than 1 credit card.
Okay, well, I don't know. You can do it until you run out of credit cards, I guess.
No.
Finish
the ride.
No, get out of my car now.
No.
Literally, the ride's over. Get out, lady.
Wow. Okay,
you're crazy.
Well, I'm just going to call the police because
you better not call the police.
You're letting a random woman get out in a random street, so it doesn't
You're a
seem
random
safe.
woman in my car without my consent.
Your consent was when you picked me up.
I canceled the ride. My consent's gone.
Okay.
You know consent. You can retract your consent.
I don't think that you know consent, sir. But I will get out. I will be calling the police. So have fun.
Yeah. Bye.